Oh, Lord. Walked a young man with a shabby jacket on his shoulders. Between the lips looks dry, tucked away by a piece of weed. Clearly looking at the moving clouds, his gloomy face became increasingly visible. With unsteady steps, without direction, sweat mixed with road dust. You are a young graduate, restless looking for work. Rely on your diploma. 4 years struggling with books for future security. Your footsteps stop in front of the yard, a ministry. Saturated and weary, you walk from the expected office door. I heard the words that there were no vacancies for the desired job. Don't care about trying anymore, but you get the same word. Clearly looking at the moving clouds, his gloomy face became increasingly visible. You are a young graduate, anxious about not being able to work. Your diploma is useless. 4 years struggling with books, it's all in vain. Half in despair, he said, "Sorry, Mom."